In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed Canva code on Wix step by step. This is perfect if you've designed something in Canva like a presentation, graphic, or interactive design, and you want to display it directly on your Wix website without uploading images one by one. This method works smoothly in Wix Studio and lets you keep your Canva design responsive and updated. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and design tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're inside Canva, select the design that you want to embed on the Wix website. This could be anything from a banner to a slideshow, or even a full-page design. Make sure your design is fully finished and looks exactly the way you want it to appear on your site. Next, in the top right corner of Canva, click on the Share button. This opens up all the sharing options for your design. From here, click on the three dots to see more options. In the expanded menu, look for the option called Embed and click on it. Canva will now show you an embed window. Click on Embed again to generate the embed code for your design. Once the code appears, click on Copy. This copies the full HTML embed code to your clipboard, which we'll use inside Wix. Now that the Canva part is done, open a new tab and go to your Wix Studio editor. Open the site where you want to embed your Canva design. Inside the Wix editor, click on Add Elements. In the search bar, type in Embed. From the results, click on Embed Code. Then select the option that allows you to embed HTML. Drag the embed element onto your page and position it where you want the Canva design to appear. Once the embed element is placed, click on it and paste the Canva embed code that you copied earlier into the HTML box. After pasting the code, click on Update to apply the changes. You should now see your Canva design embedded directly on your Wix page. You can resize the embed box and adjust its placement so it fits perfectly within your layout. Make sure to preview your site to confirm everything looks good on both desktop and mobile views. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Canva code on Wix. This is a great way to keep your designs dynamic and visually engaging without extra work. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.